everyone, welcome back to my channel Rise with English featuring Garima. Today we are going to learn something. So as it is rightly said that what we learn with pleasure we never forget, right? So pleasure learning is very much important today. So if you are a teacher, if you have a younger one at your home who is least interested in learning and doing few things related to academics, so this video will be helpful for you definitely. All you need to do is watch this video, learn it, and it will hardly take a minute for you to create the game. It is very much interesting. And secondly, I want to thank you all for your overwhelming response on my videos. Thanks a lot. I need this support and motivation from you. So without wasting any time, let us start the video. So let us start with the today's tutorial of word wall. I'll simply type here wordwall.net. I'll press enter. After this you will receive a page like this. What we have to do, we have to simply log in. So I'll log in from here. If you want to remember, if you don't want to log in again and again, you will simply click on it. I don't want that, so I'll log in. After that you will see home, where you will find home page of this, then features, where you will find features of WordWall, community, where you will find few games are already being made by the WordWall for your convenience. My activity, I haven't made any activity yet, so I cannot see anything. My result, I haven't made any activity, so I cannot see the result as well. So what will I do? I'll click on this blue icon of create activity. Now here you will see there are lots and lots of templates given, and if you will scroll down you will see pro templates are also given. So WordWall has given two kinds of templates. These pro templates we have to upgrade, but what I personally feel that these templates are more than enough. I have never upgraded my WordWall. I find these templates enough for me and very much interesting. So let us start with the first one, which is my personal favorite, that is Maze Chase. After clicking on that Maze Chase, you will see the activity title over here. So let us say the activity title is nouns activity. After that I'll write down an instruction. It is totally optional. Select the correct one. Select the correct one. Then I'll move to the first question. If you want to add an image, you will add an image by clicking on this add image. Search for images, for example nouns. I'll use this one. Now write down that noun can be, or I should write noun is the name of question mark. This is very simple one, I know. Now for the answers you will have to write down the answers here. If you want to add an image for answer, it's up to you. If you don't want to add, it's also up to you. So for the answer I'll write down noun is the name of verbs, adjectives, person. Only 3 I'll be adding. So which one is the correct one? This one, right? So I will change this from this. Simple. Now let's add another question by clicking on add a question. The next question is we met at Domino's inverted comma close at noon. After that the word Domino's here is question mark. Which I'll write, for example, collective noun. I'll write proper noun. I'll write abstract noun. Here let's add one more, that is common noun. And we are done. Which one is the correct one? This one. So I'll change it by clicking here. Now let's add image of dominoes as well. Which one? Which is very much interesting. Chalo, theek hai, this one. Then after that, if you want to add more questions, you can add from here. If you don't want to add, you will simply click on done. And yes, we are done with it. Before starting the game, I'll scroll down and I'll change few settings. For example, timer, count up, countdown, and none. So I'll put count up, lives 4, difficulty level 4. Lives, when you play any game you get lives, right? That live is this. So difficulty, let's say it's 4. Shuffle questions order, no, I don't want to shuffle. And end of game, show answers, theek hai, let's do this. So let us apply to this activity by clicking here. We have applied it. After that, let's start the game. I will start the game. I'll click on the start. Here you will see, oh, these horrible sounds. Here you will see the question. Noun is a name of. I need to run. Oh, I'll simply move my cursor and I need to run. Again, and ta-da! We met at Domino's at noon. The word Domino's here is a, again, where is, no, not collective, not abstract. Okay. Oh. Again, this is a horrible sound. Oh God. And yes, we are done. So my total score is 2 and time taken by me is this. So I am first on the leaderboard because obviously there was no other person to play it. Leaderboard, if you will click here, you will see the participant's name over here. If you will click on show answers, you will see answer. If you will click on start again, you will be able to play it again, but we don't want to play it. Now after that, you will see on the right hand side few more options are coming. That simply means these are the other templates of, okay, another horrible sound. I'll pause it. No, I'm not able to. Fine. So you will see maze, chase, quiz, open the box, anagram. So I'll click on quiz. Noun is the name of person. In this way it will come. If I click on open the box, in this way it will come. We met at Domino's at noon. The word Domino's here is, my timer is going on, as you can see, the word Domino's here is proper noun. Ta-da! And anagram. Anagram is very much interesting. You can use it for dictations in class as well to make dictations more, delightful. You can use this as well. A noun is a name of. Now this name person is jumbled up. The letters are jumbled up. I need to arrange them. So I'll just drag it. Person. So in this way you can make one game more interactive. We met at Domino's at noon. The word Domino's here is proper noun. So in this way you can make your game, your class, if you are a teacher, you can make your class more interesting, interactive. If you are if you have any younger sibling at your place, you can just ask that one to play it, and you can create it within a minute, I can say. And if you are a parent, you can make your child busy in these summer vacations with the help of these games. If I scroll it down from here, you will see few themes are there. I can change. Lots and lots of themes are there. You can change according to your interest. And the background voice which will come from it is very much catchy. Okay. And after that, if you want to edit the content again, you will simply click on edit content from here. Edit as a maze or duplicate the edit as anagram. Kahan pe where you want to edit, it's up to you. And then yeah, more like if you want to rename. Now the question is, how will you allow your kids, your students, your siblings to play it? You will simply click on this share. I have clicked on it. Now after clicking on it, who do you want to share with? Other teachers. If you want to give the editable link to anyone or any of your colleague or anyone, any other staff member, you can simply click for this one, that is other teachers, make public, noun activity, publish, and then copy it and give it. And if you want to give it for students like my students, set an assignment if you want other to just play the activity and nothing more. So you will click on set assignment. If you want to change any name or activity or whatever, if you want to change this, then like start again, if you don't want others to play it again and again just to score marks, so you can change it. Then again start button and then copy it and give it to them. After that, you will be able to see results from here, that is my results of it. I hope that this video was helpful for you all. So do share this video with your loved ones, and if you have someone in known who is a teacher or who is parent who wants their kid to get engaged in these sorts of learning games, so do share these sort of videos with them. Thank you for watching, and I have something interesting for you in the comment box. Go check it out. Thank you.